On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Astronomer.
A physicist who studies astronomy.
Examples:
Amateur astronomer, solar astronomer. This question has fascinated solar astronomers for decades.
Venus.
The planet second in order from the Sun.
Examples:
Venus orbiter, surface of Venus. They launched a rocket toward Venus.
Saturn.
The sixth planet from the Sun, having a large system of rings, the ancient Roman god of agriculture, founder of civilizations, and inventor of the plow.
Examples:
Saturn orbit, rings of Saturn. The Cassini spacecraft spent over a decade studying Saturn and its moons.
Uranus.
The seventh planet from the Sun, having a diameter 4 times that of Earth and a ring system, the ancient Roman god of the sky, identified with the Greek god Uranus.
Examples:
Planet beyond Uranus, an eclipse on Uranus. The Voyager 2 spacecraft conducted a flyby of Uranus in 1986.
Arctic.
Of or relating to the region around the North Pole or the Arctic Ocean, very cold.
Examples:
Arctic ice, high Arctic. Cold temperatures and long, dark winters characterize the Arctic climate.
Pluto.
A dwarf planet in the solar system, the second closest to the Sun and the smallest in the solar system, the ancient Roman god of the underworld, identified with the Greek god Hades.
Examples:
Nitrogen ice on Pluto, the orbit of Pluto. The New Horizons spacecraft conducted a flyby of Pluto in 2015, providing new insights into the distant world.
Reclassify.
To divide things or people into new or different groups.
Examples:
Reclassify some of its books. Reclassify the mollusks. The scientists tried to reclassify the new species as a subspecies of a related species.
Dwarf.
A person or animal that is much smaller than usual or expected for its type, a celestial body, especially a planet, that is smaller and less massive than a star.
Examples:
A potted dwarf tree. A wise old dwarf. The dwarf planet Pluto is much smaller than Earth and orbits the Sun.
Elliptical.
Having the shape of an oval, equals a closed plane curve, using a word or expression that is ambiguous or vague, especially to mislead or avoid committing oneself.
Examples:
An elliptical motion. An elliptical galaxies. The satellite's elliptical orbit made it appear to change its distance from Earth.
Warp.
To twist or bend out of shape, especially as a result of being heated, to distort or twist the meaning or sense of something.
Examples:
Warp under pressure. Become warped. The ship's hull was warped from years of use in rough seas. Comet. A celestial object consisting of a nucleus of ice and dust that goes around the sun.
Examples:
The surface of the comet. Comet Halley. The comet's bright tail could be seen in the night sky. Icy. Covered with ice or frost, very cold, lacking warmth or friendliness.
Examples:
Icy clouds. Cast icy eyes. The icy surface of the pond was not safe for skating. Outskirt. The part of a town or city away from the center, typically the suburbs, the fringe or border of something.
Examples:
The outskirt of the forest. On the western outskirts. The outskirt of the city was quieter and more peaceful than the busy downtown area. Jupiter. The fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system, with a system of 16 moons, the ancient Roman king of the gods, identified with the Greek god Zeus. Examples: Subjupiter planet. Jupiter's strong gravity. The Juno spacecraft is currently in orbit around Jupiter, studying the planet's atmosphere and magnetic field. Volcano. A mountain or hill, typically conical, having a crater or vent through which lava, rock fragments, hot vapor, and gas are or have been erupted from the Earth's crust. Examples: Volcano alert level. Active volcano. The island was formed by a volcano millions of years ago.